Hi, awesome Moss Bright kindergartners. You have finished step 1, 2, and 3 of making a windsock, and this video is going to have step 4, 5, and 6. There's a lot of steps to windsock making. So now you have your dandelions with your stems and your grass. And it is time to add our streamers. So for streamers, you get to come up and pick 5 colors. So 1, if you want all yellow, just get 5 yellow streamers, but I want different ones. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have different colors, 5 different colors, and you are going to take your paper and turn it upside down. Upside down so that you are on the blank page. And the streamers are the fun part of the wind. So what you're going to do, let me see if I can make it really big. So I really want you guys to see on the video. There we go. Down here at the bottom of the paper. Down here at the bottom of our paper, you're going to put your streamers 1, make a line, and add a streamer. Okay, 2, add a line, and add a streamer. 3, and add a streamer. Oh my goodness, maybe I only have time for 3. You might only have room for 3 streamers. That's going to be okay. Or you could be like Mrs. St. Andre and really try to get them in there. 4 and 5. All right, just no more than 5. So now I'm going to hold it up so that you can see what it looks like on my paper, just like this. So now I have a big square and I have my streamers hanging. And you can't see where the streamers are hanging from the pretty picture side, but they're hanging from the back of the paper, so you don't see this part in your pretty picture. Okay, now step number 2 is to roll your rectangle into a cylinder. Now let me show you what a cylinder is. What you're going to do is you're going to put your paper down and you're going to glue up at the top. Glue, glue, glue. And you're going to kind of make it so that it's almost like another, just like the sticky note was all sticky on one side. Glue, 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 glue. Whoop. I'll put my cap on. And then you're going to take this bottom part of the paper and kind of roll it up. And see how I'm putting it in my fingers? And then put it together. Whoa. And this is going to be tricky because you need to press it closed without squishing. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of put my hands on the inside and I'm going to press it kind of close and kind of roll it. There you go, and press it closed. And now I have a cylinder windsock. Cylinder windsock. Cylinder. See? It's a cylinder. Just like that. Step number 5. And the very, very last step, step number 6, is to make your handle. Make your handle. Put your cylinder down. You're going to get another green. Glue on the, oh, where am I? Glue on the bottom, glue on the other bottom. Oh, be careful. And put it on the inside. inside and squeeze. So do you see how I'm squeezing with my, can you see it? Got my thumb in the inside and my pointer finger on the outside, and I'm squeezing. There we go. Now I have a windsock. Have an awesome Osprey day. Osprey, lead the way.